Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Vivo Y16. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here try to find an app called Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app, and right here we can customize it. So pick a different theme, pick the toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other Firefox devices. You can switch the privacy protection settings and read the privacy or privacy notice. Yeah, that's basically it. And finally, when you're ready, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.